In this example, we're going to demonstrate how you can use pipes to translate a feed from one language into another. Let's begin in the Pipes editor. I'm going to start by dragging a fetch feed module onto the canvas. I'll configure it by pasting a URL to a feed into its input box. In this example, I'm using the Le Figaro sports feed. The output is currently in French, and I'd like to be able to read it in English. I'm going to start converting the text by dragging a loop module onto the canvas. This module provides powerful configuration options, which allow you to process each item coming into it using a submodule of your choice. I'm going to use the translate module inside of the loop module to convert the items from French into English. Then I'm going to assign the output of this processing into the same element attribute that I'm analyzing. In this case, it's the title. You can think of this step as replacing the content that we just analyzed and processed. Now I'm going to wire the fetch feed and loop modules together. This creates a data connection. By clicking on the loop module, you'll notice that the item's titles from the Le Figaro sports feed are now in English. The fetch feed module is passing data to the loop module in a one-way direction. I'm going to repeat these steps in order to also convert the description text for this feed. I'll begin by dragging another loop module onto the canvas. This time, I'll drag another translate module inside of the loop and convert the description text from French into English. Finally, I'll assign the output of this module to the item element attribute description. Once all these modules are wired together, we can see the effect of their processing. You'll notice now that each of the items' titles and descriptions are now in English. I'm going to complete my pipe by wiring the final module to the pipe output module. And I'm going to title and save my pipe. Now it's time to run my pipe and take a look at the pipe's hosted run page. You'll notice that the pipe's output is in English, but the original links still go to the Le Figaro website, and the content there is in French. Now that I've translated my favorite feed, I can consume it by adding it to my Yahoo page or subscribe to it in any of my other favorite feed readers.